Hi there. So this week's information is going to be again about how to make your brain happy. The happier your brain, the better you learn, the more you can concentrate, the better you function, etc., etc. So things that are very important for your brain are oxygen. We talked about that last week. Remember doing these points. Some people ask me about them. They're really right below your clavicle, through the side of the sternum, thumb in one point, two fingers in the other, and rub while you hold your belly button. What I'm talking about this week is water. Water is incredibly important, again, for functioning of your brain. All the electrical currents to and from your brain to your central nervous system to your sensory organs, all of that depends on water creating a pathway for those electric signals to go very easily and smoothly and not get hung up or detoured somewhere. And I'm saying this in very simple terms. There's a lot of scientific background to this, but that's not what I'm going to teach about. What I want you to know is that drinking water will make you smarter. And there are many different forms of water. You can buy all kinds of filtered water, which I recommend. I recommend that you do not drink tap water, even though some places have really good tap water. I think here in Portland we're pretty fortunate with that, but I remember first coming to the USA and drinking the water in Salt Lake City, and I was just appalled because it tasted like chlorine to me, and I was not used to that coming from Holland. So if you have a little filter system in your home, that's great. If not, maybe get something as simple as a Brita. You can talk to people who do all kinds of fancy filtration systems like Kangen water. I think that's great. You don't have to. Getting just any decent amount of water in your system during the day is a good thing. One of the other things to remember is it's not tanking down this whole bottle in one time. That doesn't do it. It's like rainfall. The ground and plants get nourished most if it drips on the ground for a longer period of time. So what I found for myself is having a bottle of water with me makes it so that I will drink the water during the day instead of finding at some point that I'm really dehydrated and then I want to gulp down a big glass. The other thing that you want to watch for a little bit with water intake is the before and after food. Again, an American thing, ice water with your meal. Don't think it's a good idea in general. Room temperature water is much easier handled by your body. And if you drink a lot of water with your meal, it dilutes your whole digestive process. Your enzymes don't kick in as easy. So I wouldn't drink that much water with your food, or either right before or right after. Again, if you have any questions, call me, email me. I'm happy to answer whatever questions you have. Hope you have a fabulous week, and we'll talk again next time. Cheers.